All right, we're doing this little tester of these amazing things. My kids are watching it on YouTube and they looked wonderful, so now I want to try them. There's a couple things.
Wait.
So we saw the center of one because it went kapoop in the middle of the grocery store. But mine is pistachio.
Yeah, we don't like.
And then theirs is strawberry. Okay. So here's what they look like, I say. Do you see them? There. Okay, this one's already freaking broken. Look, they cracked that too.
That's fine.
And then we're also gonna do these. It's like a chemical extravaganza.
Mom, it's fine.
Apparently, it's fine.
Look at them. They look delicious.
And you're supposed to eat these?
Yeah, you're just meant to
No, these are not. These are plastic. You don't just bite into this.
No,
Yeah,
you do.
you bite into
You
it.
bite into it like this. And the jelly shoots into your mouth.
Yeah. Or it goes that way.
Or you can...
No, you have to twist these. These are twist offs.
No.
It literally
You
says
bite
it.
into
You can twist it off.
It literally says twist and then drink. Twist
you-
off cap and drink. Throw this away. This is plastic.
And then you bite into it. And then the plastic you throw away, you eat the juice in the middle.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna do this. So
Okay.
Here's a
Are we
great-
trying it?
Yeah, twist it.
Okay, don't eat it like that. It's going to shoot out. Eat like this.
No, yeah, don't do that. And eat it over something if you're gonna do that. And this is the great drink.
Bite it.
It's like jelly.
Oh.
How's this?
No. It's like Jello.
Yeah, but it makes
Look.
it fun.
No, you do have to bite. Is it such a small hole?
That's what.
Orange.
Okay, they're gonna continue with the jellies. I'm not because it has, like, that's enough. I took like a third. It has a blue, red, yellow, the colors of the rainbow to make your mind completely.
Slay.
And so this is what I'm actually excited for. I've seen these myself on YouTube and viral, and they all said pistachio is the best. So we're gonna give it a go. I'm only gonna take a bite, and the kids are gonna have the rest.
Yeah. We're big backs.
Big bag, big bag.
Pineapple!
I want pineapple.
It's
Look, this.
It's a lot of cream in the center, a lot of mousse.
Like that.
I don't think I'd be a fan of anything
Will
else.
expand. We got a small hole though.
No, it's coming on the other side. No.
Okay, you guys can try this.
Is it good?
I think this is gonna be the other one. It has chocolate in it, pistachio. I'm gonna take a tiny bite of the strawberry,
Don't try it.
a very small bite.
It's like Dubai chocolate dog.
Okay,
Mmm.
cheers.
That one's good.
Mm,
Okay, give me a bite.
that's better.
Okay, give it to me.
That's way better.
It's okay. Mom, you said.
That's so good. Okay, this one's good. Don't get the pistachio. This is strawberry.
Strawberries better.
Oh my god, yeah. I'll eat the rest. It's $12. Damn sick. That's good.
That's.
Do you like that? I like that too,
Okay.
right?
Hey,
You like the pistachio better? You're crazy.
no, give me back that.
Give me that back. Hold on. Mm.
You're crazy.
Yum. Bye.